Hi guys, it's Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. I am so happy you're here. Today I am announcing whether I'm pregnant with a boy or a girl with my no-bake gender reveal cake. I am so excited to do this video. This is our first baby and I cannot wait to let you guys know what we're having. So I'm gonna have my husband come on at the end, cut the cake with me for the big gender reveal so we can show you together. It's been a long journey for us, so I'll leave a link to my pregnancy announcement video for the full story on everything we've been through to get to this point. And if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, be sure to tap that subscribe button and the little notification bell to be the first to see my all new videos, and I'll love you forever and ever. Since I'm already in my third trimester, I opted for like a really easy no-bake cake that you don't even need to turn the oven on to make, because these days, let's be real, I'm not trying to be slaving away in the kitchen all day for anybody. So this fun cake has Rice Krispie treats as the cake layers. My husband doesn't even like regular cake, but he loves Rice Krispie treats. And it's so easy to make, so I figure win-win, and I think you're gonna love it. So we start with a super easy basic Rice Krispie treat, and as always, I'll leave the full written recipe for you guys down below in the description box, but I wanna know, do you have any baby name suggestions for us? We are having such a hard time, so watch till the end of the video where we reveal the gender, and then once you find out whether it's a boy or a girl, leave me a comment down below letting me know any baby name suggestions you have for us.
So just go ahead and line 3 6-inch cake pans with some plastic wrap and spray it with a little non-stick cooking spray. Then you're just gonna melt your butter in a saucepan and add in your mini marshmallows over low heat, stirring until they're fully melted and ooey and gooey and delicious. Then add your vanilla extract and a little salt and just mix that right in there. Then, once this is fully melted, we're just gonna pour it right over some Rice Krispies cereal and just mix that in there until it's fully incorporated and the cereal is completely coated in the marshmallow. Then just pour this into your prepared pans and use greased hands to pack it into each cake pan. Then we're just gonna pop these in the fridge for about 30 minutes to set up.
Okay, while those are setting up, let's work on the fancy gold decorations and the easy buttercream frosting.
So to make the edible gold paint, just go ahead and put some clear vanilla extract and edible gold luster dust in a small bowl, and using a food-safe paintbrush, just mix this together until you have a beautiful edible gold paint. And then you just use this to paint right onto any kinds of candies or cookies or lollipops or chocolates. I just did an assortment of sweet treats that I thought would look cute on the top of my cake, and just go ahead and coat these in the edible gold paint until they're fully covered and beautiful and gold and totally glam. Then I just put some sprinkles in a small bowl with the edible gold paint and covered these until they're completely coated to add to the sides of the cake for extra decoration. And then just go ahead and let these dry on a paper towel while we prepare the frosting. So we're just gonna beat our softened butter on medium-high speed until it's light and creamy, about 2 to 3 minutes. Then we beat in some vanilla extract and salt, and next in goes the powdered sugar 1 cup at a time, starting on low speed and increasing to medium until it's fully incorporated. Last we add the cream 1 tablespoon at a time, beating on high speed until it's smooth and light and fluffy. And we're gonna keep half of the frosting white to decorate the outside. And we're just gonna dye the other half pink and blue with some food coloring to decorate the outside and for the gender reveal filling on the inside. Once the Rice Krispie treat layers have set, just place it on a little turntable and we're gonna add our filling, and this is gonna be the color of the gender reveal, so I did black and white not to ruin the surprise. And then just go ahead and stack those, and we can use the white frosting we set aside to cover the entire outside of the cake, and just frost that with an offset spatula until it's nice and smooth. Then just go ahead and take the pink and blue frosting and make little dots all around the outside and the top of the cake, and we're going to take a bench scraper or a spatula and just go ahead and slide that across the entire cake to create this blended, gorgeous watercolor marble effect. Look how pretty that looks, I love it. And then I just used a spatula to go ahead and smooth out the top and blend all the colors together. Now for the decorations, I just took some edible gold sprinkles and just stuck those right onto the base of the cake. And then I added some more pink and blue frosting to the top so we can add in our gold cookies and candies and chocolates right on top to decorate. And just do any kind of design you want to make it look really cool and whimsical. Then I went ahead and added some more of the gold candies right onto the side of the cake, and it'll just stick right on there with the frosting. And then I went ahead and added in all of the little sprinkles that I painted gold, and just do these in any kind of random pattern you want to decorate the cake into a gorgeous gender reveal cake.
You guys, how cute did this turn out? I'm like fully obsessed. I had to do like the pops of gold because it's just totally fab and totally me. And the watercolor design was inspired by my mom, who's been totally into watercolor lately, but I won't make you wait any longer. Let's cut into this. And if you guys give it a try, be sure to go follow me on social media at @TheLindsayAnn. Tag me in a picture so I can go like and comment on all of your recreations, or share this video with somebody who you know would totally love this gender reveal cake idea.
All right, now I'm gonna go get my husband. We're gonna slice into this and reveal the gender. Drum roll, please.
It's a girl.
Yay!
So excited. Can I eat it now?
Yeah, go ahead.
All
The best
right.
part is you don't need a fork with this cake. You can just pick it up and eat it.
That was good.
That's good. And if you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and go check out my Telling Our Friends I'm Pregnant video, because if you like this one, you're gonna love that one too. It was so much fun. So there you have my no-bake gender reveal cake. Thank you guys so much for watching and leaving me comments. You're the best. I love you so much. We love you so much.
Toads.
Shine on, babes, and we'll see you right here next time.
All right.
Okay, today's the day. We are revealing the gender of our baby with my no-bake gender reveal cake. How amazing did this turn out, you guys? I'm like so obsessed. Pops of gold, pink and blue watercolor. Look at this edible gold paint that I made. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do it. The gorgeous watercolor.